All right, so just like how there are certain wines paired with meals to bring out the robust flavors of a particular dish, it's the same, I'm told, with seafood sides. Owner of 876 Seafood Kitchen, Chef Anthony Ranger, for the first time on Smile Jamaica. So you know, after this, he is the biggest chef in the world. So everybody come and Smile Jamaica, just bust out. Morning, Bridget.
How you doing, sir?
Can't complain, give thanks.
All right.
Tell me quickly about 876 Seafood Kitchen.
It's fairly new. Opening sometime in March because we're renovating now, just setting up. But officially overseas is normally where I do seafood, but I decided to try it on the island where you can actually get the stuff a lot easier. You know what I mean?
You tell me something that confused me a while ago. You said fairly new opening in March.
Yes.
So
we haven't opened as yet.
Oh,
so
okay.
we're renovating. So the grand opening, we're getting there.
Okay, where is it?
It's in Claremont, St. Anne's.
And 876 Seafood is seafood alone?
Seafood.
I asked a question because they have a seafood festival one time and I said only seafood, and the woman said, no, we have currygoat and we have chicken and that kind of
No.
thing.
But
So-
unfortunately, we have like jerk chicken.
So it's not as if...
No, it's seafood, but we just carry a few items that's not
Okay.
seafood for the not seafood lovers.
All right, but you don't have a physical space right now. So when you say March, that...
In March, we're going to open. So it comes as dining, also takeout.
So are
know
you
what I mean?
doing anything now, like catering or anything like that?
No, man, not with renovating right now. That's what we're doing.
And you said you do it overseas?
Overseas as
where?
well, yes.
What
That's in
areas?
Canada.
Oh,
No.
Canada. We're in Canada.
We're in Brampton. We had a different
Fantastic.
one. for it.
What have you brought this morning? Are you going to make anything?
Yeah, I'm going to make you a crab and shrimp, pina colada crab and shrimp to add to my lobster because I didn't complete this dish as yet.
Could you please start, sir, because we don't have a lot of time and we want to see what we want.
All right.
While you're doing that, so lobster.
Yes, this is my lobster. This one, to finish it.
Yeah, what kind of fish
Work with
this?
This is steam fish, so we do it. So we
No,
have,
but the fish itself.
oh, snapper.
Snapper.
Yes.
Well,
and then that I got my coconut salmon right
that
there.
look like salmon to me.
Yeah, that's my coconut salmon. Over here we have rock lobster tail. I have it sweet, spicy. And then my escovitch fish over here.
Kind of fish.
Snapper as well.
Okay.
These are my mashed potatoes, right? So we have a 3 cheese mashed potato. And that's what we do right there.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So, you ready now?
Ready.
All right, you're ready now. I just went shut up and you're going to talk me through what you're doing. Every move you make, you have to tell the people what you're
They're doing. Okay. So
All
right
right.
now I'm just setting my base. Setting my base to get my flavor, all right, for my seafood here.
What that?
This is my pina colada sauce. Okay, so
Pina
I'm gonna
colada.
I'm gonna pina colada the flavor of the shrimp and the lobster.
And pina colada have rum in it, no?
No, that one is virgin.
Virgin?
Yes.
All right, me tell you, sure, you let me down, because I'm ready to lace up some rum now, man.
It's too early for that, Neville. Too early.
No, it's not too early. We drink rum regular.
So I might blend up. So I'm adding all my spices here, my herbs and spices, just to get.
That is your personal blend
Yes.
up?
You
Can't tell which one?
No, I can't tell you.
Why?
Boy, if I tell you this, I might as well just give you the business.
I don't know. Give me that, no?
You look like you're doing completely fine, man. You don't need this.
Tell me and give me the business. You know, from when we want, I want to give me the business.
This is headache, Neville. Yeah, it's a lot.
Where is the business, by the way?
So it's in Claremont, St. Anne's.
You told me that.
It's located below Treasure's Comfort Inn, right? It's a guest house in Claremont.
Yeah.
Yes.
You get the right taste a while ago?
Very, very right taste.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Right
know
taste.
how-
So now I'm adding my shrimp and crab.
Yeah.
You understand?
This is a dish that you just come up with?
Everything here, I come up with them over and over. It's like I sleep and wake up and it's like I want to change my menu. So normally, my other restaurants, I have problems with my chefs because I just can't seem to, settle. It
So
just keep-
why you are sleepy and think about it?
Yeah,
Or
man,
you just say you
this-
sleep
this-
and wake up?
No, this business never.
So you dream about what you want
Yeah, man, all the time.
and you just get up and do it in the morning?
People just say to me, they ask me, how do I get all these flavors? And I say to them,
You just
well,
sleep and wake up?
sleep and wake up.
But
There
you
you go.
sleep and wake up every night and you don't get no flavor when you wake up.
Because you know, cook.
Oh. What about the sides now? Because we were saying interesting sides.
Yes, so my interesting sides these are not so interesting. There's more I can tell you, but I didn't bring all that interesting one. That can go and simmer.
Yeah.
So right here I have festival. But our festivals actually have flavor, so we can flavor them anyhow. Coconut, it can make it seem like you're eating even black cake as well.
Okay.
So my triple cheese mash now. So I make a
Triple cheese mash.
mashed potato, yes. So I make a base of mashed potato, puree it all together, add a few cheeses, my own blend of spices as well, and then I wrap it. Drop it deep fry for like 2 seconds or so and just.
You can tell me the different cheeses that you use?
But
Or
it's
that's a secret?
No, it's not a secret, but it's just a mixture. So I always got the white one in there. It's like cheddar, Parmesan. Technically, I'm not going like any cheese I'll put in it.
You're
That's
not
for me.
going to like it?
No, any cheese I'll put into it. I'll put any cheese into it. It'll be perfectly fine.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's my, as I said, it's my spice, my blend. Never, you want to taste this, or you're not too up on the seafood thing?
No, man.
Why?
No. I will taste it.
You will taste it?
Yeah,
you don't
man.
want to taste it before you come off of the fire?
No, man. No,
Why?
man. But when you done the lobster, you tell me say the lobster never done. You
The
know?
lobster?
You know, you tell me it never done.
No, the lobster finished. Me just go and dress it up now. Like,
Yeah, them
you know,
just
be and ready for God.
So you want me to eat something on television that don't dress
No,
up?
no, I want you taste this. This more you taste before I put it in the plate. So you can tell me what I go and feed. And niggle, man, come, man. You're Jamaican, you know. Tell me what I go on for the pina colada.
Lovely jubbly.
Yeah? No, but I just say that
Feel a little peppery kind of thing. Really nice.
Yeah, no spice no to it still.
They don't taste peppery.
I'm trying to tell you say something else I go and feel. All right,
So
I'm
you
gonna
don't tell
plate it
me
now.
is what?
So it's just the lobster and shrimp with the crab and shrimp with the pina colada. So I've already deep fried the lobster, right? So I'm just adding the sauce to it to get the flavor. All right?
You actually sound like you know what you're doing.
I try.
And truth be told, you look like you know what you're doing.
I try.
No, I mean, I try thing. You're supposed to know what. By the way, when them thing I cook?
This morning, you know, never.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you just need to warm up.
Warm up and yeah, she had the shrimp still around that plate. I just need
Yeah,
to warm
but
it up.
is the salmon me interested in? So more I warm up the salmon, and then I go sit down.
And eat it. Okay,
Then
so.
when you think, when I sit down, what you think me how do it? Please after smelling inside.
All right, so we're going to make everybody know in the kitchen that the salmon is off.
So you
limits.
think I just go and just
Never.
look at it and pick it up and throw it after Jody or something? Then I must eat it.
Don't do that.
So, you warm it up? Afterwards you can do that.
Afterwards, I can do that. But you can still try it, you know, because I basically did that before I came in.
So you want me to try?
Yeah, man, you can give it a shot.
Well, come take a picture, Jody, please. All right, do this later.
All right, so. Make sure you get it in the sauce, you know.
You know, say you're going like it's a little bully.
Come on, man. Yes. And by the way, everything here is made without salt. Like, I don't cook with salt.
I don't eat salt either.
All right, good. So we're working on the same page now.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
This win.
Yeah?
Win.
You win? All right, I like that something. Try me escovitch. Because normally, you know, Jamaica have them traditional escovitch and
Boy, I mash up Jody thing, because Jody want to take a nice picture and show the people say it look good.
No, no worry about that. Make never full in belly. Just pick out piece of the fish, taste the sauce, and tell
Jody,
me.
come take the picture, man. That man, you bully me, you know. You're
You know, I'm bully you. Come
chef
with feet.
company,
You eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast or what?
Take it. This
Right
one?
one, yeah. Just lift up a piece of it to have in the sauce tonight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nobody make the fish jump out of the plate and so make a hold it down while you pick.
Yeah.
You understand?
So only to that job is live?
Yeah. Boy, we are moving. You know, it look like it just I go do it one thing.
So when we dip this, you know?
Go on, man. Saucy night, man. Make sure it's saucy.
You are such a bully.
We don't do
that.
that.
Taste pepper, another one, you don't
Escovitch. You understand? So you forget the pepper, but taste the flavor. Taste the flavor.
That sound like you come from France a while ago. Escovitch,
Escovitch.
Escovitch.
That's something they are going
I
to
like it. Well done.
right,
I'm very
like that.
impressed. So
Yeah.
when you're going to open up officially?
We're shooting for March 6th, but you know, given
What's the shooting thing?
non-violence.
Yeah, go on.
We're aiming then. How about the aim and don't pull the trigger?
No, that's because after you aim your shoot.
No, they can always call it off and I said, no. I could be a friendly fire. You understand?
Well, thanks a lot. I'm impressed.
problem.
It tastes good.
All right,
But I didn't aim in early shooting. It's the owner of 876 Seafood Kitchen. Don't ask me where it is, because him don't know either. Chef Anthony Ranger. Him don't know where it is, so don't ask me.
Claremont said that.
Yeah, but you don't open nothing yet.
Yeah, man, but everybody knows here. You can
Some
find
people
us on
just come
Instagram.
at Claremont and just ball out. 876, and a man say, round the corner.
Yes, them going to point it out to you because it's unique. It's the only one that's there that says seafood. You understand what I'm saying? So we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, same name, you know what I mean? Just look us up. But even before, never just pick out piece of the... Come on, man. Just pick out piece of the...
This thing,
yeah.
Hold it again.
Go on.
Hold it again.
And the flavor more you get to the mash, you understand? Because the cheese, something I go and feed down in
It's
it.
like, you know, when I eat it going up, right? Hard, forget so.
Yeah.
Up here, mash, me get me no see no cheese.
Go on, man, you're good, man. Tonight, man, everything is puree, remember? Puree. It's puree. It's well blended in so the flavors can sit, you know what I mean? And just work just right.
All right. I'm done.
So quick.
What? No, Sam, Jody said we can't touch that.
Oh, this one belongs to Jody.
Yeah.
All right, then.
All right,
That
so
one.
when we come back here on skincare for men, I hope I do have a taste not more, because I taste everything. We don't want to taste no ear, no care for men. No. I'll taste it that. We soon come back.